Hello everyone, welcome to tech2.com. In the last video, we understood what is the basics of aggregate function and when do we use it, right? So in this lecture, we will understand or we will do some practical queries using these aggregate functions. So I have already shared the database where we have movie table in which we have attribute MID, title, year, rating and votes. Okay, so this is a database of Bollywood movies till 2014, and the first query is find maximum rating and minimum rating or minimum votes which we have gathered in our database. Okay, so what we will do using our aggregate function, it's very simple to write. We will write select max of rating, right? Rating and min of votes from movies movie, right? So this we can run and see what is the maximum rating we have captured so far, and what is the minimum votes, minimum number of votes. Okay, so let's run it on terminal. Here this is the tables inside our database, which is imdb underscore techtud, which is techtud underscore imdb. And now let's run our query to see the maximum rating and minimum votes. So let's type select rating and minimum votes from movie. So let's enter it. Fine. So you can see we have maximum rating 9 for some movie. Okay. And we have minimum votes 50 for some movie. Okay. So these aggregate functions maximum, max and min are able to find out the maximum and minimum value for a particular column. Okay. Now, of course, you can do aliasing. For example, you can write so this is the use of maximum minimum. Now let's use some other aggregate function. So far we know that the maximum rating is 9, which we have just run on our terminal. Now what if I want to know what is the movie name for which the rating is maximum? So the second query is, let's say, find maximum query and the movie name. So what we will do, it is again very simple. We will write select max of rating and name from movies, right? Okay, so let's run it. It seems to be correct, but it is wrong. So let's run it on terminal and see what is the output. So see, it is giving us a output, right? Maximum rating is 9 and the title is Alamara. But this is wrong. If you match to the database, let's say see what is the rating for Alamara. So see, you can see here the rating for Alamara is 7.3, but here you are getting 9. So what is happening is it is giving you the maximum rating, but at the same time it is just giving you the title of the first movie among all the records. So to get the actual title where the rating is 9, what we should do is we should use subquery. So what we will do, we will write select rating title from movie where rating equal to, and then in subquery we will select the maximum rating. Okay, so internal query, this subquery will find out what is the maximum rating. Okay, and then this external query will just equate the rating with maximum rating. Okay, and will display you the rating and title for that. So let's see what is the result now. Okay, as I have provided here the table name wrongly, so it's not movies, it's movie. Okay, so now let's run it. Well, you can see we have maximum rating 9 for the movie Queen. Okay, so just to verify, we will see what is the maximum rating for movie Queen. Well, you can see for this movie Queen, which was released in 2014, the maximum rating is 9. Okay, the rating is 9, which is maximum. Okay, great. So let's modify this. This is wrong. And what will be the correct query? Select. So this is the correct query which we have already seen. Fine. So in the next query, we have to list down the movies having more rating than the average rating. So here we have to use average. Okay, average aggregate function to find out the average and then compare the rating with the all the movies. Okay, so we will use the above concept. What we will do, we will first list down the movie title, that is select title, and let's say we also list the rating. So title and rating from movie where rating is greater than the average. So we will find out average here. Select average of rating from movie. Okay, so this will select, internal query will find out the average of the rating, and then the outer query will compare the rating for each record. Okay, and will display only the rating, only the record which has rating greater than the average one. Okay, so let's run it on terminal and see. Select title rating from movie So we have got 1148 movies for which the rating is greater than the average. Okay, so it clearly means that some movies have performed very badly. Okay, great. So the last query is find the total votes casted. Okay, so basically we want to use sum function and we want to calculate sum of all the votes in our database. Okay, so here we will use sum function. Okay, so what will be the query? It will be select sum of votes, okay, from movie. Very simple, right? So we'll write select sum of votes from movies, right? Very simple. So it will be, well, so this is the number of total number of votes which has been casted so far. I mean till the date when we crawled the data. Okay. So fine. So we have used all the basic aggregate functions. Now I expect you to try more complicated queries using these aggregate functions. So see you in the next lecture. Thanks for watching.